Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by stabilizing the bike. Get it on a stand so the front end won't move. Once stable, inspect the clip-on clamps and mark their rotation and cable routing. This saves setup time later. Now loosen the pinch bolts evenly, alternating sides to relieve pressure. If there are bar end weights or grips blocking access, remove them first so the clips can turn free. These first steps make the rest simpler and prevent damaged cables or scratched paint while you work. Once the bolts are loose, you can slide the clip-ons forward off the fork tube. If they're stubborn, use a rubber mallet with controlled taps to avoid damage. Clean the steerer and clamp surfaces. Removing grit ensures correct seating and prevents corrosion, so apply a light coat of anti-seize or use a manufacturer-recommended thread locker for bolts rated to 10 Nm. This prevents loosening while allowing future removal. Position the replacement clips to match your original height and angle. Finger tighten first, then torque to spec for secure alignment. Finish by torquing the clamp bolts in an opposing sequence to the manufacturer's specification. This ensures even clamp pressure. Once tightened, reroute cables and brake lines so they have free movement through full steering lock, and confirm grips and controls operate without binding. After the first short ride, recheck torque and alignment because parts settle. If the bars feel loose or misaligned, loosen, reposition carefully, and retorque. If bolts strip or won't hold, replace them and inspect clamp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.